Cleaners Connect YouTube. This is Fred. I want to say it is the 5th, January 5th on a Saturday. I'm in another rental property, and you see, but from first sight when I walked in the house, the carpet looked, like a cleaner had been here and vacuumed. You can see the lines in it. But because I do carpet, and I know that having it pre-vacuum is very, very important, I always double check and vacuum, maybe vacuum over their vacuum. I have to check corners, edges, sides to make sure. And I basically just run my foot down the edges. And so let me run my foot down this one and show you what I get, because you can't see it with the naked eye. So down one edge, that's what I have gotten. And so far I vacuumed, emptied my vacuum after every job. And I vacuumed 2 rooms and this hallway. And look at what I have gotten. Whole vacuum cleaner full of pet hair. Let's say I come in here, your average carpet cleaner. I'm not knocking anybody, and they see the lines and they, don't take pride in their work. And they come in here and they say, okay, let's pre-spray. And then they pre-spray. Anytime you mix water, liquid, fluids to hair, you really got trouble, because you can believe that it's definitely not coming out then. So I guess these are the trash cans from the tenant, because they're the only ones that's sitting out. I won't show you how nasty they are inside. Wind is blowing pretty heavy today. But I am going to dump this hair in it. Give you a look at what comes out. That was nasty. I got to step back while the wind blow all that dust. That was horrible. That wasn't a good idea, because it's so windy today. But that's just the bottom. I haven't even... God, look at the hair coming out of this thing. The dog hair blowing because of the wind. I haven't even done the top of the vacuum. So, see why it's important to make sure you vacuum. I'm trying to put a 2019, I'm putting a name and face behind this voice, behind Trio Carpet Cleaning, to let my customers know the Raleigh, Durham, Clayton, Chapel Hill, Butner, Hillsborough area, Apex, Fuquay, Knightdale area, that we're going to go above and beyond, do an exceptional job, and it's hard to come by. Big box companies have somebody that's been, not knocking them, being paid by the hour. And they just trained last week. So you can't get 10 years of experience and get the quality service with those people. Long story told short, let me finish vacuuming this. Got 3 more jobs, so I need to get busy. And I'll see you on the next one. You know how you can get in touch with me. Facebook, Trio General Services, Trio Carpet Cleaning. That's YouTube, or 919-599-6396. I'm out.